Hello, Preschool Prep fans! Today, we'll be taking an exclusive look inside the Kids Club and creating our very own letter Z paper bag puppet. Let's go in! First, we'll start by opening our browser, and we'll type in www.preschoolprepkidsclub.com and press enter. And now we're inside the Preschool Prep Kids Club. We have daily comics, Meet the Sight Words Level 6, new releases, coming soon, mazes, games, brick builds, how to draw videos, doodle art, and much, much more. But today, we're going to take a look at the paper bag puppets. As you can see, we have other characters like Circle, 4, and the 7 Toucan. Right now, let's create the letter Z. From this activity page, we could download a printable file. Now let's go to our downloads folder once it's finished downloading. Double-click on our file to open it. Go to print, select print, and let's head to our printer. The things we'll need is our printout, a paper sandwich bag, scissors, and a glue stick or regular glue. Let's begin! We'll start by cutting out all of the pieces around the character. If you have trouble cutting, ask your parent or guardian to help you. Once we're done cutting, we apply glue to the back of the cutouts. This is such a fun project! And then gently press them onto the paper bag. What's your favorite letters character? And that's it! We're done! Once it's finished drying, you can have your very own puppet show! Z, Z. I can't wait for you to share your puppets with us at the Kids Club. If you enjoyed this activity, you'll love all of the fun you'll have at the Kids Club, with a ton of printable activities and exclusive videos. Go to www.preschoolprepkidsclub.com and you can start your free trial today. See you there. Bye-bye. For more fun videos, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification.